Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can track just the head of a person on CapCut PC. Select your video and then you're going to go to the camera tracking section. Select face. There's also body, hand, and custom, but you're going to select face for this one and you're just going to wait for it to process. And for the backgrounds here, don't worry, we're going to just zoom it in instead. So here you're going to select fit to canvas. I know it's going to kind of zoom in really in there. It's going to really zoom in. That's what I meant to say. I kind of want to not have it shake that much. I guess I'll have it at like 10, I guess, or 5, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.